Hello, na ako din sa balay ni Manang Tersita, lang Asli. Kay kuan man kanang dinimiga tipo kay kuan man kanang ani wa na lang mi nangatin sa after bunyag dito sa ilang gikaunan kay per head ba mahal kaayo $60 per head inya. Ambot pila. Basta na ami dinhi tipong nagdad-anay lang ni kwarta. You're drinking beer?
No, it's ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
I don't drink alcohol now.
Yeah, he doesn't drink alcohol. Where's Marlin? No, dinindot kayo dili ta mo wala. Dali ra kayo duol pa sa kuanang no, duol pa sa freeway. Nandiyan ang among Miss Universe ay future Miss Universe.
No, future artista.
Mag-artista ka, Beb?
Kanta.
Kanta ka? Ooh, you have talika to Beb. Are you gonna sing? You like singing, Beb? You should go to music class right away and voice.
Sa eskwela.
Nagkuhan ka?
Choir.
Wow. Gapa kayo, tangkad pa on. Asa kling-kling!
Ate, what do you want? Adobo or
I want sinigang na. Mamaya, magdala kong paksiw ha. Hey guys, open the front door.
On it!
Tingnan mo si Kalbo, gidadan ko niya. Grabe kayo, panapos.
Buti mo natin!
With rice pala. Kaya pala marami kasi with rice.
Ano eat? What?
Kaya pala kay... I like this. I never eat this kind of food anymore. I don't have time to cook. Si Manang galutan eh.
Is that the movie? I mean...
Are they coming?
Pizza!
Pizza again?
No, pizza.
You know, my apo, what's your name? Daniel. No, your real name, Daniel Kylie.
I don't like my name. I only like nickname, Danny.
No, you're Kali.
What's your...
Kali.
No, my friend called me Danny.
That's my... How old are you, Ben? How old are you?
15.
Oh my God. I've heard, babe, you're working part-time.
Dili.
Summer.
Dili.
Wala ka na trabaho?
School.
Summer school lang. Bisaya juga, babe. Kabalo ka, sabot ka?
I'm learning.
Ang Thailander, ang Thailander. Hi, Thailander.
Oh, what's your name?
What's your name? What's your name? Moni, Thailander ni siya ka na. Iyang name.
They were talking about something, and then Lola made like, oh, you know, it's your stage.